Good day, everyone. Welcome to the start of our vital journey into the world of artificial intelligence. For many of us in Nigeria and across Africa, AI feels strange, complicated, or perhaps like something out of a futuristic movie, or even something that borders on the supernatural or juju. If that describes your feeling, I want you to know that that perception is completely understandable, but it is wrong. AI is not magic. It's not exclusively a complex foreign concept. And critically, it is not coming. It is already here, and you use it every single day. Over the next few minutes, our goal is simple. We will prove this fact, demystify the technology, and give AI a clear, simple definition that anyone can grasp. First, let's address the most common myths that create fear and confusion. The first myth is that AI must be a physical robot that looks and acts exactly like a human. This idea is largely the creation of Hollywood. The reality is that most AI lives quietly as computer code inside your smartphone, inside a market surveillance system, or inside massive cloud servers. It has no face and no hands. The second myth is that AI is super complicated and only for advanced Western nations. The simple truth is that the technology powering your favorite, most popular apps, from WhatsApp to TikTok to your mobile banking tool, is all built on this same foundation of artificial intelligence. AI is built on math and data, and we in Nigeria generate a huge amount of that data every single minute. The core idea is this: AI simply stands for a computer system built to mimic human intelligence, to learn, make decisions, or recognize patterns like a person does. It is a smart tool, nothing more, and nothing to fear. If we must define it simply for our work together, artificial intelligence is a smart computer system that helps us solve problems by learning patterns from data, rather than strictly following rigid, preset instructions. To understand this difference, think of it like training a child or an apprentice. Instead of giving the computer 1,000 specific rules, e.g., if the car is blue, then do X, you follow these simple steps. First, you feed it data, the lessons. You show it 1,000 pictures of a healthy cow and 1,000 pictures of a sick cow. Second, it learns the patterns. The computer sees the colors, the spots, and the postures that define healthy versus sick. Third, it makes a prediction. When you show it a new, never-before-seen picture, it can instantly say, "I am 99% sure this cow is sick." This remarkable ability for a machine to learn from data and adapt is the only magic involved here, and it is the foundation of everything we will discuss in this lecture series. Let's look at the AI you probably used this very morning as proof that it's already here. Consider Google Maps and traffic. When you open Google Maps in Lagos, Abuja, or Port Harcourt, it instantly shows you which roads are red, heavy traffic, and which are green, clear. How does it know this so accurately? The AI does this by analyzing the real-time speed of hundreds of thousands of phones moving on that road. The AI learns that if 1,000 phones are moving at 5 km per hour on a major highway, it must be heavy traffic. It uses this real-time data to give you a predictive solution, the fastest route, saving you valuable time and fuel. Another example is your WhatsApp or keyboard predictions. When you are typing a phrase like, "I will go to the," and your keyboard suggests the next word, market. That is AI at work. The system has learned from billions of text messages, written not just globally, but here in Nigeria, and knows the most common word patterns. It can learn and predict local Nigerian Pidgin or common phrases just as easily as English. This is personalized assistance powered by AI. Finally, think about music and video streaming. Why does YouTube or Spotify instantly suggest local Nigerian songs or Nollywood clips that you are likely to enjoy? The AI analyzed what you and millions of other users with similar tastes have watched, then uses that massive dataset to predict your next preference. These are not futuristic concepts. They are simple, powerful examples of AI serving as a tool to enhance your daily life. The AI in your hand is not a future threat. It is a current, dependable assistant. The only major difference between the simple AI in your phone and the advanced AI in a commercial bank is the amount of data and the complexity of the problem it is trained to solve. If AI can already do this much by learning from data in your personal life, Imagine what it can do for your business, your farming productivity, your legal career, or our national security. In our next lecture, we will move deeper, focusing on how AI learns, to understand the fundamental difference between AI and traditional software.